In today's video, I will show you a cool brand new software will help you a lot to create arts and selling it on multiple branch on demand platforms. The software uses artificial intelligence to create these arts, and you can scale an image or one design to 20 different designs in minutes. But before we start, I will much appreciate it if you smash the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And now let's get started. So first, the software is Instant Art Creator. Instant Art Creator is a masterclass containing 4 training on how to create art using artificial intelligence. Learn the secret using artificial intelligence to create profit-producing art with little to no design skills. So this is some features of Instant Art Creator. Easily create art images in a matter of minutes. It's super fun and super easy. Even if you can't draw a stick figure, you can do this. A limited market because language isn't barrier. Art is art. Use your creation for both digital and physical product creation. And finally, super profitable because original works sell like crazy and are next to nothing in cost. During this 4-part masterclass, you will be shown how to use 4 different AI programs to create art, locations of these 4 programs to use at no cost. Watch over our shoulders as we guide you in using these programs. Get hints and tips about not only creating but enhancing existing art, and of course behind the scenes inside secrets and how to use this program. Now I will let Amber joining. She one of the creators of this program. She will show you how this program works. You see in the left side, you will able to draw anything you think of, and the program uses artificial intelligence to create an image similar to the image you draw. How simple is that? Like you see here, inside this video, the left image is created from nothing, but the software gives you a real image in public domain similar to the image in the left, using artificial intelligence. And you will learn everything inside this program step by step how to use it. So you will get a masterclass of 4 amazing training. Besides, you will access to a customer only Facebook group where you can interact with other like-minded people, share ideas and insight. And of course the support is 24 hours 7 days a week. Price is $27 one-time pay and no monthly fees. So this is a cool software you can use to create more arts and selling it online. The program uses artificial intelligence to create this art by just drawing anything you might think of. The program is really not necessary to be successful in KDP or other print on demand platforms, but is really cool and fun to use. So if you want Instant Art Creator, the link in the description below, you can use it right now to benefit from this awesome program. So guys, I will finish here. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.